Hello. I have an unpacking product tour slash review for you, actually. The product just came in this envelope, inside of another envelope. I ripped it open, just to make it easier for me here. This is a micro USB cable from a company called EL-AURORA. EL-AURORA. Now, it's a single micro USB cable. They cost $8.74 on Amazon. Prime shipping, of course, so today. You might be wondering why I'm reviewing a single micro USB cable, as it's just a micro USB cable. But this one isn't, it's different. This one is an EL cable, EL-LED, that actually shows you its charging. It supports quick charging 2.0 and 3.0 up to 2.4 amp and data transmission up to 480 megabytes, or megabits, whatever. It will shut down automatically when it gets 100 charge, and it slows down as the battery gets full as well, which is interesting. That's one of the reasons I agreed to review this cable. Not only because I thought it was neat, but also because I think it's really very usable, very handy. But this is the end here. It has a little box on the end. I'm guessing transistor, circuit board, etc. would be inside there. Now this is the cable here. It looks fairly standard. It's 3 foot long, and it looks a thick rubber cable, except with a blue stripe going down the middle, right? But let me grab my tablet here, my Fire tablet. So let me plug it in here. I'll plug one end in. Okay, let me turn off my light here. Okay, so my light's off, and so you can see that, right? That means there's power going in. It's just really slow now. It means, basically nothing's going on. But if I plug it in to my Fire tablet, maybe. There we go. Oh, there you go. Check it out. So you can see it. It's charging. It's coming, from the source, here, my USB thing, my USB connection at the computer, over, right into the tablet. So it's giving you a visual of it actually charging, which I think is really nice. Now, is it worth $8.74? I'm not sure. Maybe 2 for $8.74. I mean, I'm sure the prices will drop eventually. It's a new product, and I think it's a very interesting product. I mean, you might consider it a novelty, but not really. I think it's useful. As I said, it will, it speeds up as it's, as it's charging. But then, as the battery gets closer to being full, it actually slows down, and then it fully shuts down, which is kind of neat, huh? It's just a visual cue to let you know that it's done, which is nice in the dark. As you can see, though, it wasn't that bright with my light on. It's kind of hard to even see it, with the light on there. But I mean, over to the side of my desk, whatever it would be, fine. But EL-AURORA USB to micro USB cable, 3 foot, visible light up EL-LED flowing high-speed durable charging cable for Samsung, HTC, Motorola, Android, black. It's also available in white, I believe, or blue, something like that. A different color, same price. And for what it is, I think it's neat. I think it's worth it. I don't know. I know I like it. I know I'm going to continue to use it. Because I just think it's kind of cool. It gives you a nice visual, cue here of your battery charging. All right, that's it. Thanks a lot.